This is Parag Patel from Patel Law Offices, and today we're here with Darko Naumoski, who's a friend of mine at Wilkin and Guttenplan. Thank you, Darko, for agreeing to answer some of my questions regarding Form 5471. I have a couple questions just in terms of introduction, Darko. First of all, can you tell me your position or what you do?
Yes. Hi, everybody. Thanks, Parag, for doing this with me. I really appreciate it. I think it's a great opportunity to kind of chat about these complicated tax issues that we're facing today. Like Parag said, my name is Darko Naumoski. I'm an international tax manager at Wilkin Guttenplan, and I deal mainly with inbound and outbound international tax issues for our business and individual income tax clients.
So, Darko, we've been getting a lot of questions about Form 5471, so I wanted to ask you, what is Form 5471?
Very good question, Parag. So Form 5470, the official title, is an information return of U.S. persons with respect to certain foreign corporations. Basically, when you think about Form 5471, it is a corporate income tax return for anybody that needs to file this Form 5470 or has an interest in a certain foreign corporation, and they attach it to their personal or corporate income tax return or business tax return. Could be a partnership.
So when is that form due? Is it due like every year?
So yeah, it depends, but generally, if a taxpayer has a filing requirement for 5471, then they would file that 5471 on an annual basis. And the way you file this form is by attaching it to your income tax return. So if you're an individual, you attach it to your Form 1040. If you're a partnership, you'll attach it to Form 1065. If you're a corporation, you'll attach it to Form 1120, and then, of course, S corporation to Form 1120S. So it will be due with the tax return, and for individuals is April 15th, unless you extend. Same thing with corporations. For S corporations and partnerships, is March 15th, with the extension is September 15th.
Can you file it as a standalone form?
This is a misconception, but no, you cannot file this form by itself. If you have no filing requirement as an individual and don't have to file 1040, I would advise our clients and taxpayers to file this form with a blank 1040, just so that you can comply with the filing requirements of this. As you can speak about this in more detail, the penalties for non-filing are pretty egregious, and they start at $10,000.
Okay, so this is very interesting. So thanks for the introduction on the Form 5471. If anybody has questions about 5471, how can they contact you?
So they can shoot me a quick email. My email address is my initial first name and last name at WGCPAs, or they can .com, or they can simply Google my name online and find my information on our company website, which is www.wgcpas.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Darko, for this introduction on Form 5471. Greatly appreciate your help and joining us today.
My pleasure. Thanks, Parag.